Hey guys, Ashley here. I just got started with a new project. It's just gonna be a quick little video. I was asked to make a bedazzled megaphone for a Candy Crush commercial, the game Candy Crush. They want a megaphone bedazzled in the Candy Crush candies. So I didn't film this part, but I've already made a bunch of custom fake candies, and now I'm going to cover this megaphone in a million candy bedazzles. Let's see, let's take a look. So real quick, here's my fake gummy bears that I made out of resin. Look pretty good. Here's my jelly beans. They're perfect because they're flat back. The Candy Crush candies are real specific in what shape and color they are, so I lucked out downtown. I found all these perfect shaped flat back gems, but they're not the right color, so I spray painted them. These are actually googly eyes that I painted and put sprinkles on. And here's my megaphone, and now it's time to start gluing. Okay, so it's coming along. I severely underestimated how long this was gonna take. Today is Sunday. I had to work all through the weekend. I'm gonna work all day today, all day tomorrow. I'm gonna put the outside on pause and get going on the inside. And then hopefully tomorrow, all I have to do is fill in all those white gaps with tiny little gems. Finally reaching the end of this project. Right now I'm just tweezing in these microscopic gems into as many of the white spaces as I can. And they're picking up tomorrow, so I'm just gonna do as much as I can until they get here, and that's gonna be it. But I think it looks pretty awesome.